Hey guys, here we are in a bubblegum simulator infinity. So right now I don't have too many games or coins. I'm going to show you the absolute best method in the entire game to farm coins and games super fast. Make sure to watch all the way through because trust me, this method gets insane. Alright, so let's get started. Head to the void. This is the void, the door to the void. But right now, as you can see, I don't have uh, unlocked, so I will show you how to do it. But at the same time, I will explain you what you will get in the void. So first thing you want to do is head over void as we said. Once you are there, go straight to the pet enhancer machine. You will see there one machine. This thing is basically like enhancing your pets. You roll for different special effects or enhance that boost your pet's stats. If you blow these gums, you will jump pretty higher than normal. So on these clouds, you can unlock these doors which we saw down there. Second step, enhance your pets. When you are enhanced a pet, you can roll for different enhance. There are three you really want to look out for. Lotter for coins, Glaming for games, and Team Up most OP. If you can get Team Up 5 on all your pets, you are going to be getting both games and coins like crazy. As you can see, I have these 4 pets around me. You will get them in with this axe on the overworld here in this area. You will unlock this pet. So, pro tip: only enhance your best pets. It's not worth spending tokens on weak ones. You will see here on that one. You see here 2 bubbles, 1 bubble. This you need to look for this thing. So step 3, go to Zen Island. Again, you will need to unlock it. So once you have got your pets in hand, teleport over to the Zen area. Here's what you need to do next. Open your inventory, go to items and activate your best coins potion. I'm so go to power ups and activate the golden orbs. Yeah, we will try to jump a little bit further. Uh, okay, we just failed a little bit. Step 4, farm like a beast. Now that you are all buffered, uh, just start walking around the island, collecting everything that picked respawn super fast with the golden orbs active. So the pickup respawn, the pickup respawn super fast with the golden orbs active. You are getting a crazy coin boost from your pets, poison and enhanced. And don't forget to blow bubbles while you are walking. You can sell them later for extra coins, but you can also jump higher with this bubble gum. If you can see right now, we jump pretty high, but it's possible to jump higher. And when you jump higher, you will unlock a new doors to your to this void and other islands. Or even with only a few decent enhanced, I went from, yeah, I don't know, from 1000 to 11,000 right now coins in one time. Just imagine what you could get with even better pets. So, yeah, if you have better pets, you can prolong quicker and more effective for quick playing. Instead of looping the entire island, try running back and forth through one section. It's more efficient because the orbs respawn right behind you. So yeah, guys. That is the best method right now to get coins and gem in this bubble gum simulator infinity. If you can get them up, team up to 5 on all of your pets, plus use those poison and orbs, you are going to be absolutely uh, rolling in rewards. Hope this helped you out, and if it did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Catch you in the next one. Bye.